So, we have defined total 3 gestures in our code. First one is to enable body tracking, second one is to enable the voice control, third one is for emergency landing.
We have one more cool feature, which is returning back to the initial point. In order to do that, we have to give a command return back to base. Until we give this command, it will save all the instruction which we will give through the microphone, and it will save it in the memory. And once we'll give the command return back to base, it will follow all the instruction in the reverse order, same as LIFO, last in first out. So last command which we'll give will be the first command for the drone, and it will follow them in the reverse order, and at the end it will reach to the initial point. I'm showing the first gesture in front of drone camera, which will enable the body tracking. You can see it has started tracking me now. You can see how good it is. Now I am showing the second gesture, which will enable voice control and disable the body tracking. Here I am giving the command move forward. See, it has started moving forward. I am giving the command move down. It is going down. Now I am giving the command move right. You can also see the console to see which command I am exactly giving. Now I am giving the command move forward again. Now I am giving the command stop. Now I am giving the command return back to base, so it will follow all the commands in the reverse order. Plus it will also store the time for how long we are executing that particular instruction, like moving forward, for how long are we moving forward. Then it will follow that command for that particular time. You can see it is coming back, and at the end you can see it will come back to the point where it started flying. It is following the last command, and at the end it lands. Pretty cool, right? We have one more feature, which is activating body tracking through voice command, and here I am giving the command activate body tracking. So it has started tracking the person who is holding the camera. You can see. Now here comes the third gesture, which is emergency landing. So you can see I am showing the third gesture and drone has landed. That's it guys, hope you guys like it.